Secretary of the All Africa Baptist Fellowship, and to my colleague Carolina. We're looking forward to being in Nigeria in July 2024. Every year, the Baptist World Alliance does an annual meeting in various places around the world, and it is time to come to Nigeria. We've never been in Nigeria, but we heard you were building a new church, so we came to be in this neighborhood. And so I'm glad, Pastor, to say hopefully in 18 months or so, you will have many international guests who come and worship with you on a Sunday morning, and it will be a new dawn for all of us. Amen. You do belong to a wonderful worldwide Baptist family of 51 million Baptists in 128 countries and territories, about 175,000 churches all around the world. This is your family. Do pray for your family. So grateful for the work that you're doing in northeastern Nigeria. My first 2 trips to Nigeria in 2016, before I was in this particular role, were to respond to issues of ongoing violence across northern Nigeria and the Middle Belt. So thank you for your work. I know how important that is, especially in this time. And pray for many Baptists around the world, like the Baptists in Ukraine. You know, there are 2,000 Baptist churches in Ukraine. 46 of their churches have been damaged or destroyed by the war that is ongoing there. And yet, over these last summer months, the Baptist churches in Ukraine welcomed 20,000 first-time visitors and saw 2,300 salvations. And in August, they ordained 40 new pastors in the middle of their war. Can you imagine that? So God is at work, but we need to stand together in prayer with one another. I was just a few weeks ago in Nicaragua, in Central America, and I visited our Baptist seminary there, and I said, Mr. President of the seminary, give me a percentage. What percent do you think it is likely that the government will shut down our Baptist seminary here? And he said 80%. So there are many all around the world who are struggling, and they need your prayers, and they need your mission spirit to go out. I'm reminded of Acts chapter 13, verses 1 through 3, and the birth of the very first church where anybody was called Christian.